everyone, welcome to Pooja Pandey vlog. We are in the way toward the plant nursery. We have a plan to put some plants and do gardening in the campus of our house. So we are going to purchase some flowers, plants or planters. Meanwhile, in the way you can see the beautiful view of river Ganga in Patna. And this is the longest 5-kilometer bridge known as Gandhi Setu. So I have a good idea about selecting fruits. So I know this one and this one is going to be tasty. And they are not looking like a hybrid, I think. I'm waiting for the salesman because he is not here or she is not here. So the journey becomes so refreshing once you stop at some kind of a stall where they are selling some natural kind of thing like fruits and vegetable salad. It's refreshing. This guy, he was sleeping before I turn the camera on.
I owe this outlet.
Get up. Oh, you on this outlet? Such a down to earth person. He cooperated with the sales guy.
He's my friend.
Yes. We all human are friends, I think. Everyone should cooperate with everybody. So as the temperature is little hot, we want to take sugarcane juice. So the salesman is insisting to give us sugarcane with ice, while we have allergy with ice. So especially me.
भैया और बताइएगा.
So now we reach to the nursery. Small plant center. Yeah, I am.
सब काम आगे से मुंह सीजन के बाद में काट देंगे तो कोई दिक्कत है?
So the place is like awesome. We are feeling so refreshing here. We are not in the city. We are somewhere where everywhere you can see the plants and fresh air. So she is selecting the plants of her choice. I am going to select the plants of my choice because I love smell, fragrance. So here the facility you can wash your hand. The specialty of this place is called Mutia Kela. It means kind of banana called Mutia. I don't know, but it will be like in the shape of the punch, like this way. It's a square shaped banana, very high in carbohydrate, and it will give you lots of energy. It is like some kind of jelly kind of banana, like slippery and jelly kind of banana. It is not like that much rough and dry like all bananas are. This is really very different. And again here is lychee. I can say that there is no such kind of grafting or kind of, it is like natural lychee. This is kind of money plant or so plant, I don't know. But this flower is looking awesome. This is flower or fruit, don't know. But yeah, the view is like, oh, the view is like awesome. I am enjoying really this place. I think this is chiku. And this is hot red chili. It's really very hot. You can say You can see here some different kinds of flower. They are very sustainable in summer. So you did something wrong? Feeling guilty?
No, not at all.
Because this is the time we can enjoy here. Nobody is going to stop us work because everybody is familiar with us.
No, we also have got lychee at our tree, on our tree, but that is not as sweet as this.
And the owner of the lychee have no idea that who is in the campus doing all this mess.
The lady is around. The lady is there. The lady is there. Huh? She's there.
She will appreciate your deed, whatever you have done. Like you did cheating, you did here you can see lychee, and it is like this much far from my place. So we are done with the plant purchasing all thing. So the plants are getting loaded in the dicky backside of the car. Here are a few of them. 90% of them are for medicinal purpose. So as usual, a woman have a duty to hold the kitchen. So I'm doing my job, selecting the vegetables for my kitchen. कितना होगा? नहीं तो और अच्छा दीजिए फिर. I'm waiting for my order because I ordered coffee and because the whole time was hectic. We did lots of work, so I'm waiting for my coffee. Then I will start some dinner. पानी पूरी का बोला coffee normal आटा का. On my table. प्लेन डोसा, तवा डोसा, onion dosa, butter masala dosa, onion tawa, plain dosa. You will keep counting and the time will run. Mixed we will have to return home. उपमा उत्पम यार मैं पढ़ने के बाद भी नहीं बोल पा रही हूँ. She want to say that her tongue got twisted. She is still counting. From half an hour she is still counting. Have not made any order. We will move home shortly. You will be not able to eat anything in this restaurant. You will go empty your stomach. Let me see the menu card because the way she is like continuously pronouncing the last name. I think no. Mangal, who placed this order? We were decided that we are going to eat plain rice and dal. But I can see the multiple dishes in your plate.
ऑर्डर किया है प्लेन राइस एंड दाल.
Who ordered this thali? Who ordered this thali? So I forgot to tell you that I ordered this pav bhaji and can you order golgappa? So we are going to enjoy together. Fill this. This is not yours, okay? You can fill this. I wish I will never return to this restaurant ever. The experience was so bad. People were not responding properly. So I'm coming downstairs. Shivam. What is in your hand?
I'm buying kulfi for you.
No, not for me. I don't like this kind of kulfi.
Don't lie.
Don't pretend that you don't know.
I of course know. You
Everybody knows that I don't eat outside things like coffee and packaged food. That's why I purchased.
You are the one who always say that I don't eat and you always eat.
Oh. I have some issue with the fragrance and it is medically proven. So I cannot even smell
have
this
any
kind
kind of
of
smell.
packaged food.
It doesn't have any.
Otherwise, I will become senseless and out of control. Like my mind and my sense
It
will
doesn't have any kind
goes
of smell.
like.
You can have it. You have a. Else I'll give.
Oh,
somebody else.
give
Whoever
somebody. Then I will order them to leak on the camera. Take the taste of the. Okay. So your bad day started, Shivam Pandey. If camera is in my hand, nobody, you can't hide yourself.
Let's go.
So guys, I can.
I'm gonna throw it here.
Oh, going through. I will keep making videos.
I've thrown, yeah.
You have no choice. Now people will come to know that you are such an
I've thrown.
idiot who lie always.
Oh shit, yeah, it's there.
Oh, Pooja Pandey is taking the taste of kulfi tasty. Don't worry, I'm not going to put this on social media. I will keep for myself so that I could make fun in future.
हाँ यूट्यूब आ गया यूट्यूब रुक जा रुको ये चलो